Identity, a function that takes what you give it and just gives it back. Give it a string, get the same string. Give it a hash map, get the same hash map. Give it a function, get the same function. How can this be useful? Identity is best used combined with other higher order functions. Combined with filter, it can be used to filter out nil. Combined with the jux function, it can be used to index data. This works because identity returns the hash map as is. It can also act as a no-op. In this case, the transform function will always round a double, but not do anything to other value types. So even though it seems strange at first glance, the identity function has lots of application in the functional world. What's that function? Now you know. Like, subscribe, and comment for more. All examples available at whatsthatfunction.com.